Hello everybody, we are going to talk through section 4 here on how you write formulas with polyatomic ions. So we have not talked about polyatomic ions yet. Polyatomic ions are a special type of ion that have more than one element that are put together. So if you look at all of these, there's more than one element that are put together. And we have certain names for those, and we really treat these like one ion. So even though there's more than one element, we treat it as one thing. And if you look, each thing has a little charge next to it, and the charge is like an ion. All right. So, and when we write these out, it's really the same way that we'd write out our other ones, except for there's one little difference that we have to do, which is dealing with parentheses. Okay. So, and on the back of your periodic table, you also have a list of those polyatomic ions as well. Okay, so let's go through and take a look at how we're going to write these out. And when we write them out, we're going to follow the same process that we did before. So if we look, here's my cation, sodium, here's my anion, SO4 minus 2 if you look at the charge. Okay, and then the way that we did it in our class to make the charges balance is we can just crisscross the numbers. So if I take the 2 from here, it gets written down over here. The 1 from here gets written down over here. So that ends up being Na2SO4. Okay, we don't change the SO4 at all. It stays the same. You don't take the 1 from here and add it to this and make it like SO5. That doesn't work. Okay, so we're just going to write out the formula the same way. Okay, now this second one is a little bit more unique. Okay, and we're going to have to watch this. So same idea. Okay, to make the charges balance, if we take the 2 from here, we're going to write it down below. The 1 from here, we're going to write it down below. Okay, so our polyatomic is NH4. Now we have 2 of those. So we don't add the 2 to the 4. How we show that we have 2 of those is we put parentheses around there. Okay, so anytime you have more than one polyatomic, you have to have it in parentheses. So the correct formula for this one would be NH4S. Okay, so let's do another one. Okay, we have Ba plus 2, OH is a minus 1. That's a polyatomic. Again, if we crisscross the numbers, okay, we have Ba would be the 1, and then I have 2 OHs, so I have to put those in parentheses, and I put the 2 on the outside to indicate that I have 2 OHs, right? I have 2 of the OHs, okay? The last one, again, the 3 from here goes down here, the 1 from that one goes on the other side, so we have CO, okay, and I end up with 3 of these, right, because I get 3 of those from the charge. So it's CN3. Okay, so we never change what the polyatomic ion looks like. Okay, if we have more than one of them, we write a parentheses with a number on the outside. Okay, so hopefully that helps for section 4.